these are pretty. They sounded like Yoda. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a review, an unboxing, and a swatch on the MAC Studio eyeliners. This is an eyeliner set, and this eyeliner set comes with 6 Pro pencil eyeliners. They have the names, but I can't really see them unless I open it. This is the back. And then it says not tested on animals. Now let's go ahead and unbox it. It does have tape there. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. I'm gonna go ahead and one down, one to go. I'm ripping this apart. I kind of just want to rip it apart. I can't open this really well. So right now what I'm doing is that I'm turning them so you guys can see the names. So they do have names, and I turned them over so you guys can see them as well. I have silver, hunter green, bronze, espresso, very black, and cabernet. Breaking them already without getting them out. Now I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you guys. Bronze. So as you guys can see right now that I swatched them, they do break somewhat easy. So you can see all these little like grains that are part of the eyeliner. They're in every single one of these. Now let's see if they smudge off really quick. They do. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. 3 in each eye. Why not? This is the final product. What do you guys think? Let's get on to the final review. So when I was swatching them, of course, you guys can see here, it does come off. They're eyeliners. They don't say they're waterproof or anything like that, which is totally fine. Also, they look very pretty on my hand. I like how the gold kind of pops up here on my wrist. On my eyelids, it does not. And again, that's normal. It just blends into my eyelids, so it just seems like a little bit of like shimmer, not even shimmer, just a little bit of something there, or completely like if you were to see me, like I have nothing on right there. So the colors, I had a lot of trouble showing up on my skin tone. as you can see, is the purple. I had to go back and forth, and it's still like I was hurting my eyelid, and I was like, no. So for me, the Cabernet and the bronze one did not show up, and I did not like them that well. The other ones went on good. They do show up. I really like the green one, and I like the silver one, and I also really like the black one and like the brown, the dark brown one. These 4 showed up a lot on my skin tone. These 4 glided right on. These other 2 I had trouble with. Again, guys, this is my opinion, my review. If you guys go purchase them, it might be different for you. It might work for you guys. It might show on you guys. But on me, these 4 showed up and worked. These 2 did not. And I didn't like that I was tugging and going back and forth try to show the color, and it still didn't work. So these 2 I don't really like. These 4 I really liked. What all of them have is that, as you saw in my swatch and when I was applying it, they do leave little marks, like little pebbles, little bits of the eyeliner tips. And it's normal with eyeliners and lip pencils, but sometimes they're more sensitive, if that makes sense. Then they start breaking more, and you're not even applying pressure. So final rating for these 4, which is the espresso, very black, silver, and hunter green, out of 5, I give them a 5. Now for the bronze and the Cabernet, out of 5, I give them a 0. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I hope you guys all have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.